Hey, this is a quick how-to video for a Fiesta ST blend door actuator, the passenger side. So mine's a 2015. I believe this will work on a 2014 through 2019. And it's a real common thing that the gears, this is the new one, the gears inside here, it's a little plastic gear and they break. And every time you start the car and turn it off, this thing's moving, whether you have the climate control on and off. So after years of that, they break. My driver's side broke at 6,000 miles, and I actually have another one here. My driver's side is fine. Right now, that's the YH1896 part number. That's what you want right there. I just bought an extra because they break so often. I didn't want to have to run to the store next time. But my passenger side just went out, and there's a bunch of videos on YouTube for this one, the driver's side, but not for this. I couldn't find one, so I thought I'd make one real quick. So the part for the passenger side is the Motorcraft Ford YH1895. And the driver's side is a little more complicated. It's like an hour job or less. You just have to, there's like really hard ways to do it. People are pulling their seat out and stuff. You don't have to do that. You can, like I said, there's several videos on YouTube of that how to. I mean, really, if you have this tool here, it makes it way easier. It's just a little thumb ratchet. But we're not doing that today. We're doing the passenger. Literally, guys, this is just a connector and 2 screws. So I'm just going to show you real quick how this, how to do this, and maybe this will help somebody, because like I said, I didn't see one online. So basically, the noise we're listening to is right here. When you turn the car on, you hear that. So basically, the way you remove this is you just pinch the 2 sides of the glove box, 1, 2, and then you pull the glove box out, and it comes out of these 2 right here. These 2 guys right here are seated into there, and then there it is right there. And basically, you just that red tab, you pull the tab out, and then there's a push tab right there. You push, pull the connector out. And then there's just 2 torque T20 torque screws. I already pulled one of them out, and then when I was kind of in the middle, I thought, let me shoot a quick video. But one of them's right here, and the other is right back there. You can see it shining right in the center. And those come out, new one in, and then reverse, and it's a 5-minute job. Great time to clean out your glove box too. So, blend door actuator, passenger side. I'm gonna turn this off and go change it out real quick now, but hopefully this will help you if you're looking for a how-to. And thanks for watching.